Perhaps their extraordinary success is due to their ecological role as a great aquatic predator, simple, flawless, and invincible. Despite their ancient appearance, crocodiles are creatures full of surprises and sophistication. They are hugely efficient hunters, as vital to all the ecosystems they inhabit now as they have been since the beginning of time. And perhaps it is this track record as an ancestral survivor that gives the crocodile its quiet assurance, secure in the knowledge that sooner or later it will return with extraordinary success to the hunt.